Good afternoon, Madam Witness. Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters. Can you hold on to it? Can you stand here, please?
Thank you.
Madam, what is your religion?
Muslim.
Okay. In which language do you wish to make your testimony?
English.
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
I will make an affirmation.
You'll make an affirmation, okay?
Yeah.
Madam Chair, the witness wishes to make an affirmation. Okay. Then repeat after me. Raise right hand into the air, please. Up. And then repeat. I, Madeleine Jones.
I'm Fatoumata Ceesay.
Oh, Fatoumata Ceesay.
I'm Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Yes.
Do solemnly,
sincerely,
and truly declare
and
affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. You may be kindly seated.
Thank you.
Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to you.
Good afternoon, Madam John Ceesay.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Let me stand to be corrected. You said it's John Ceesay, right?
Yes, I'm Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
And I hope you had your lunch.
Yes, Ma.
Thank you. Council, can we proceed, please?
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, please tell us what your full name is.
My name's Fatoumata John Ceesay.
You gave a statement on the 21st of November 2023. Do you recall this?
Yes.
The name on the statement is Madeleine John.
Yes.
You are no longer Madeleine John?
Yes, I'm no longer Madeleine John.
Since when?
It's almost 1 year now.
But why did you give the name Madeleine John to the investigators then?
That was the name I was using when I was using the POS machine.
Okay, that was the name you were
Yes.
using when you were employed.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're now Fatoumata Ceesay. Is it Ceesay John or just Fatoumata Ceesay?
Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll give you your statement.
Yeah.
You also gave an additional statement. Is that correct?
Sorry?
Did you give an additional statement? Is it only one statement?
An additional statement? Yeah.
Right. And that also bears the name Madeleine John?
Yes.
But you confirm it is you?
Yes.
Did you sign the statement?
Yes.
Can you go over the statement and tell us whether the two statements are the ones that you gave to the investigators?
Yes, it's a statement.
We apply to tender the statement of the witness, Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Yes.
The name on the statement is Madeleine John. The witness has confirmed that is the same person we are dealing with.
Yeah.
Yes. That she changed her name after giving the statement.
Yes.
Yes. The first statement is dated the 21st of November 2023. And the second one, the additional one, is the 23rd of November 2023 into evidence as an exhibit.
Yes, Council, but can you check whether she wishes to amend the name?
Yeah. There would
if
not
she
be
wishes to amend the name, so that we can have it properly recorded in our evidence.
Yes. Madam Chair, there would not be, the procedure would be to have a deed pool, but once,
Okay, all right.
yes, but
I get that.
we can, since she associates herself with the statement. We can go with it.
Order.
Yes.
Okay. So, I'll use Fatoumata. The witness statement dated the 21st of November 2023, bearing the name Madeleine John, who now has stated that her name is Fatoumata John Ceesay. And an additional witness statement by the same witness, Fatoumata John Ceesay, dated the 23rd of November 2023. Both statements are admitted together and marked as LGC/FJC/BKAC/002.
As the commission places. When were you appointed?
I was
001,
appointed
sorry.
2006.
Do you have your appointment letter with you?
Yes.
Can we please see it? Did you say since 2001? Did you say since 2001?
2006.
Sorry, before we proceed, the exhibit number is 001 instead of 002
As the
because the
commission
transcribers did not get it right.
Okay, as the commission places. We apply to tender temporal appointment letter. First, an offer of appointment on commission basis as revenue collector to Madeleine John, the witness, now known as Madeleine Ceesay John.
Fatoumata John Ceesay.
Fatoumata John Ceesay,
Yeah.
dated the 30th of September 2004. A temporal appointment letter to the witness dated the 28th of December 2005. A confirmation letter dated 9th of March 2010. And a promotion letter the 3rd of August 2009 into evidence as an exhibit.
The offer of appointment on commission basis as revenue collector dated the 30th of September 2004 addressed to Ms. Madeline John, now known as Fatoumata John Ceesay, with reference BAC/019/A in brackets 460. The said letter is signed by Mr. Balamusa Cham, CEO of Brikama Area Council, and copied Brikama Area Council, also copied Director of Finance. A temporal appointment letter dated the 28th of December 2005, also addressed to Madeline John, now known as Fatoumata John Ceesay, with reference BAC/019/A. The said letter is signed by Chief Executive Officer and copied to Chairman Brikama Area Council, Director of Finance and Establishment Committee. A confirmation letter dated the 9th of March 2010 addressed to Ms. Madeline John, now known as Fatoumata John Ceesay. The said letter is signed by Mr. Momodu Jonga, who was the then PRO for the Chief Executive Officer. The letter is copied to the Chairman, Brikama Area Council, Director of Finance, Chairperson, Establishment Committee, Market Manager, Brikama Area Council. The reference is BAC/019/A. A letter dated the 3rd of August 2009 addressed to Ms. Madeline John, now Fatoumata John Ceesay, with the caption promotion. The letter is signed for the Chief Executive Officer by one Mr. Serigne Modou Diouf, PAO, and the letter is copied to the Chairman, Brikama Area Council, Finance Director, Chairperson, Establishment Committee. The said letter has reference BAC/019/A. These letters are admitted in a bundle and marked as LGC/FGC/BKAC/002.
As the Commission places. Now, in collecting revenue, which area were you posted in 2018?
2018, New Yundum.
New Yundum?
Yes.
And you were there for how long?
Currently, I'm still there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you under the license unit or rates and taxes?
No, value properties.
Value properties.
Yes.
Do you work alone or do you have a supervisor?
No, I was alone.
Since 2018?
Yes.
And so who conduct the assessment in New Yundum?
I conduct the assessment.
You do it alone?
Yes.
Do you have your assessment report?
No.
You don't have it here, as in do you have it at home or in the office?
What is that? Assessment book?
Report.
The report?
Yes.
I have a choir book where I do write the name of the particulars and the amount they should pay.
And then you will know exactly?
Yes, I give out invoices.
Okay, exactly. So you will know in a given year how much you're supposed to, or you're expected to collect as revenue?
No, it depends. Sometimes when you go to the field, you find out there are new developed properties.
So which means?
Yes, I engage.
Yes, which means your assessment for the year.
Yeah.
There's a high chance that when you go into the field, for instance, if you have $500,000 that is expected revenue for the year, that there's a high chance that the number may increase because you probably will see new buildings being erected or so on and so forth.
Yes.
That's what you're saying. So the number is going to go up and not down.
Yes.
I'm not sure whether you understand what I'm saying.
I understand what you said.
So
like if I assess 10 properties,
yes,
I give out invoices.
Right.
When I'm going for collection,
right,
sometimes you can find a particular compound whereby it is already constructed. Yes. Constructed. Sorry.
Yes, exactly. So now, do you have that choir book? Where's your choir book?
Okay, no problem.
Do you have it?
No, I don't have it.
Where is the choir book?
The choir book is with me at my office.
Can you bring it tomorrow?
Okay, no problem.
All right. Now,
Sorry, Council. That choir book, is it different from your cash book?
Yes, it's different from my cash book.
Thank you. Yeah. I just wanted to confirm that.
Yeah.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now you have your cash book with you from 2018.
No, it's with the auditors.
You don't have any of your cash books?
I have 2021 up to 2024.
But from 2018 to 2020, it's with the auditors?
Yes, it's with the auditors.
The internal auditors or the external auditors?
Internal auditors.
Since when?
They were using it since last year. The book, the cash book is with them.
Since last year?
Yeah.
That is Mr. Bari, Suleiman Bari?
Yes.
Okay, we will demand or request that, or ask that the commission order that Mr. Bari produce your cash book. Honorable Chairperson, can we apply to the commission to order Mr. Suleiman Bari to give the witness her cash book from 2018 to 2020? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, 2020.
Okay. All right.
You said, she said the period, what period does the cash book cover? That is with Mr. Suleiman Bari?
Did you say from 2018 to 2020?
2018, 2019, 2020.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm having 2021 up to 2024.
All right.
This is my order. Upon application by lead counsel for the cash book maintained by the witness, I order as follows. That Mr. Suleiman Bari produce and hand over the witness's cash book covering the period 2018, 2019, and 2020 for submission to the commission by Thursday, 18th July 2024. I make no further orders.
As the commission places. Now, you will be given the order by the registrar.
Okay.
And then you give that to Mr. Bari.
Okay. No.
Do you understand?
Yes.
And he is expected to act as ordered.
Okay.
Now, do you have your cash book from 2021?
21, yeah.
Can we please see it? we applied to tender two cash books of the witness. The first is for the year 2021, and the second is from 2021 to date into evidence as an exhibit.
The two cash books presented by the witness covering the period 2021 to date. Please let me just confirm. Madam Ceesay, is it up to 2024 or is it up to 2023?
From 2021 to 2024.
Okay. The two cash books presented by the witness covering the period between 2021 to date, they are admitted together in evidence and marked as LGC/FGC/BKAC/003.
As the commission places. May we see the cash book, please? Yes, and now, were you also given the machines, the POS machines?
Yes.
Since when?
2021.
2021.
Yes.
Now, were you paying to the bank?
Sorry?
Were you paying to the bank your collections?
The first deposit I made was paid to the council. The first deposit I made was paid to the council. I was not told that all the monies that you collect, you should pay it to the bank.
When was this?
If you turn the first page of my 2021,
Yes.
the 58,000 was paid to the council.
Okay. Who in particular?
Sorry?
Who did you pay to? Mr. Kante?
No, I paid it to Lamin Suso.
You paid money to Lamin Suso?
Yes.
And he gave you a receipt?
No, he gave the money to Kantong, Lamin Kante.
He gave the money to Mr. Kante?
Yes.
Did you see Mr. Suso give money to Mr. Kante?
Yes, I have a receipt from Mr. Kante.
No, but did you see Mr. Suso give Mr. Kante the money?
Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
I heard what you said.
What did I say?
You said did I see whether Lamin Suso gave the money to Mr. Kante? I said yes.
You were present when Mr. Suso
Yes.
was giving the money to Mr.
Yes,
Kante?
yeah.
Why did you not give Mr. Kante the money yourself?
Sorry?
Why did you not give Mr. Kante the money yourself? Why did you
Because Lamin Suso called me. He said they need some payments.
They need to make payments.
Payments, yeah.
In the area council?
Yes.
They have expenses
Yes.
to do.
Sorry?
They have expenses.
Yes, they have expenses.
And they need the money in the council.
Yes.
So when you came, who did you meet in the council?
Yes.
Who did you find in the office? Did you find Mr. Suso there?
Yes.
Who else was present?
Sorry?
Who else was present?
No, it was only Lam Suso and Mr. Kande.
And so you hand over to Lamin Suso?
Yes.
And Mr. Kante gave you a receipt?
Yes.
Okay. That is the $58,000?
Yes, the $58,000.
$58,175?
Yes.
All right. Apart from that amount, did you give any amount to anyone in the area council?
No.
So when were you told that you have to take this money to the bank?
After when I make the deposit of $58,000.
I mean, I see two $58,000. The first one is $58,175.
Yes.
And that's on the 22nd of January 2021.
Yes.
Then you have another amount, the 4th of February 2021, $58,000 exactly.
Yes.
Which one are you referring to?
Sorry?
Which one did you give to Mr. Suso?
The first amount.
The first amount,
Yes.
which is the 58,000.
Yes, January.
Yes, the one in January.
Yes.
That is 58,175.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm now telling you there is another $58,000 is exactly that amount in February 2021. But you don't have a bank deposit slip.
I was not told that we should photocopy these bank deposit slips.
But you have them.
Yes.
Do you have them with you?
No, I don't have them with me. It is with the principal cashier.
Okay, you will normally give the principal cashier these bank deposit slips.
Yes.
So are you saying for all these monies without bank deposit slips, they are all with the cashier?
Yes.
Which bank do you deposit these monies to?
Trust Bank.
Trust Bank.
Yes.
Only Trust Bank?
No.
Where else?
Sometimes GT Bank, when I'm giving directives from the finance director.
The finance director?
Yes.
Mr. Jeng?
Yes.
Do you know why they will ask you to pay in GT Bank?
No, no.
You only do as you are told.
Yeah.
But these are the two banks that you will bank with.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the account number of the Trust Bank?
I don't cram it off yet.
You don't have to memorize it.
No, I didn't.
I'm saying you don't have to. I don't even know my account number myself.
Okay.
Yes, I don't even know my account number. I can tell you for free of charge. I have two accounts. I don't know the account details. But do you have any records where you have the account number? Let's say a bank deposit slip you have that has the account number, either for Trust Bank or GT Bank. Any deposit slip that you have.
It's in the cash book.
So I will give it to you, and then you will read it out, so that we know the banks you are specifically dealing with.
Yes.
Is that fair enough?
Yes.
Yes, go on.
110.
That is which
Trust Bank.
Trust Bank is 110
78
78
05
05
62
62
01.
01.
Sorry, I also had one with EcoBank.
Okay. And the
Yes.
EcoBank one is?
The account number?
Yes.
Six two
Yes.
80
Go ahead.
50019.
Right. And then the GT Bank? Well, if you cannot see it now, you can always give us the information later.
It's very small. The GT Bank is very small. The writing is very small.
Okay. All right. That's fine. So just give us the account number later. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Now, you have mentioned that you were called once by Mr. Suso to come and give him money because there are expenses that they have to do.
Yes.
Is it only once that it had occurred?
Sorry?
You have been there since 2018, from 2018 to 2023.
Yeah.
Have you only experienced this on one occasion?
No, I only gave January.
Not only, no, wait a minute. You have said that
Yeah.
when the POS machines were introduced,
Yes.
the first money you collect, you were requested or ordered by Mr. Suso to bring the money to the area council and give it to him.
Yes.
I'm saying whether that only happened once.
Yes.
Apart from that, you never give them anyone money in the area council.
No.
That is your evidence.
Yes.
Now, but then after that, you were depositing the money to the bank account.
Yes, I was depositing the money to the bank.
But were you depositing everything that you collect?
Yes.
Everything you collect?
Yes, I was depositing everything.
Okay. Let me have your cash book. But we have seen these lodgement logs. Do you know about the lodgement logs? The lodgement logs?
Yes, of course.
They are the extracts from the IT. They print
Yes.
out from the IT office regarding how much your machine has recorded that you have collected. Correct?
Yes.
Is that what it is? So, for instance, if you collect $5,000 in a day, the machine will show or indicate that you have collected $5,000 in a day.
Yes.
And then the printout will be exactly how much you have collected. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, sometimes you are absent.
Absent for what? For the lodgement log?
Yes, to reconcile to your submissions, your deposits.
It's very rare. If I don't sign the lodgement log, know that that day they will say that the cartridge is finished or is not printed out.
Okay, right. But also it appears that there are times that you will not deposit everything that you collect.
I don't deposit everything.
Everything that you collect.
It's very rare.
Where will it in fact be rare? It should not even happen.
I don't think so.
You don't think it ever happened? Okay. Let's look at your collections for the period 10th of March to the 16th of March. Your machine says you collected $19,000, but you only
Which
paid
year?
2022.
Okay.
But you only paid $11,000. So let me give you back your cash book.
Okay.
between the 10th to the 16th of March 2022. To the 16th of March 2022. Are you there? Have you seen it in your cash book?
I have that much here.
You have that much?
Yes.
So I'm telling you, your collections between the 10th and the 16th of March 2022.
From the 10th up to the 16th of March.
Because it's a weekly collection.
Yes,
so every
it's weekly.
Week you have
yes,
to go
every week.
For your reconciliation.
Yes.
So between the 10th to the 16th, that would have been a week's working day.
It's $11,000.
11?
$11,000.
Is how much you have paid to the bank.
It's what I collect.
But no, but the record says you have collected $19,000.
No, it was even audited and stamped by the auditors.
I mean, let me see. But you signed the lodgement log to show that the $19,000 was recorded by your machine. Can you read? Can you read?
Sorry?
Can you read? Can you read?
Can I what read?
Yes. Can you read what? Can you read the writings? Can you read?
Let me see.
Have you seen your name?
Yes, I saw my name.
Yes. And it says what? The amount?
19,000.
Did you sign against it? Did you sign against it?
Yes, I have signed against it.
What does that mean, your signature? What does that mean?
The figure is not correct.
No, I understand you doubt the figure, which is okay. We will discuss that later. But I mean, did you sign?
Yes, I have signed it.
Where were you signing?
I didn't check the figure properly, that is why.
What were you checking?
I was entering from what I have collected through my cash book.
You did not check the figure?
No, I did not check the figure, so I signed.
Why would you sign something without checking what you were signing against?
But they should have omitted it.
They should have?
Omitted it into the cash book that I have a balance to pay.
I mean, that's the fault of the auditor.
Yes.
And that is your cash book. But this is the lodgement log which prints out your collections for the week. And
I was not reported to that I have a balance. I would have verified with them.
We understand that. You are really mounting a very, very interesting and very good defense for that matter. We understand that. But my point is,
yes,
that's not the point. That the issue is the lodgement logs, they only generate exactly how much you collect.
The lodgement log?
The printout you have, is that not the printouts that you'll be given, that will come from the IT, that your machine says you collect $10 and the printout will be exactly the amount that you collect?
Anyway, I verify with them.
No, let's just, now we are verifying with us. You can always go back and verify.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying that the amount in that lodgement log should be exactly what your machine will collect. Or do you doubt that?
Yes, I doubt the amount.
But you signed the amount. You signed against the amount. That is my problem. But you are saying you did not you did not really look at the amount that you were signing.
No, I did not look at it.
And why did you not look at it? That's my other question. Why did you not look at it?
It's a mistake.
It's a mistake.
Yes.
Okay. Is it Mrs. Mendes Ceesay?
Mrs. Ceesay, yes.
Yes. Your receipt for 11,000 is on the 3rd of March, but your collections should be from the 10th of March to the 16th of March. So basically, or in essence, what we are saying is this is not for that period.
I don't think so.
I don't know what you mean by you don't think so. Your receipt that you have shown me for $11,000.
Yes.
The date says 3rd of March, 2022, Madeline John, given to you by one Mr. Canton Kante, correct?
Yes.
But the 3rd of March, the receipt is for collections from the 28th of March, 2022. Now we are concerned with the amount or with the date or the dates from the 10th to the 16th of March. I'm not sure whether we're on the same point. Do you understand?
Yes, I understood.
Yes. So what is the position now? What is the position?
My position is to go and verify with them.
Okay, that's fair enough. Madam Ceesay, you will give you time to verify enough.
Yes.
Madam Chairperson, any question to the witness?
Sorry? 16 March 1981. 1981. $2021.
Yes, let me take it back because my my mic was not on.
Okay.
You said your date of birth is 16 March 1981.
Yes.
Now, my next question is, you said you were given your POS in 2021.
Yes.
But these POSs were supplied and they were operational in 2020.
Not all collectors got the POS machine at the same time.
Okay. So 2018, 2019, 2020, when you collect revenue on the ground, who do you submit this money to?
To Mr. Canton Kante.
Mr. Canton Kante.
Yes.
And he issues you a receipt?
Yes.
Which you attach in your cash book?
Yes.
Is your cash book very much updated? That is to say, you have all the entries in your cash book?
Yes.
Now, you said you were collecting New Yundum, Farato, and Yarambamba Estate.
Yes, when I was transferred.
Yes.
Value Properties.
Value Properties.
Yes.
When were you transferred to Value Properties?
2021.
2021.
Yes.
So In 2021, you were only collecting value properties.
No, I was collecting both value properties and rate and tax.
Why is that the case?
Because the guy who was to collect rate and tax went on leave, maternal leave.
Can you please help the witness? She's struggling to speak in the mic. Mr. Vaji, move the microphones properly so that she can sit up and be comfortable.
Okay.
Can you move your chair a bit so that you will not be bending yourself and inconveniencing yourself?
Okay.
Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Right. Yes, you were explaining?
Yes. 2021, I was collecting both value properties and rate and tax.
Now, we had earlier requested your book where you have your assessment.
Okay,
And
no problem.
That one was for value
Properties, yes.
Now, you tomorrow when you are coming, you bring along your assessment book for rates and taxes.
No, rate and tax, I was only assessing value properties. Rate and tax, we had the big choir book that is at the office.
Who maintains that choir book?
Sorry?
Who maintains that big choir book?
The choir book, it was destroyed by the rain. The Alcalo, yes. The Alcalo got flood.
Which Alcalo?
New Yundum, Alcalo Usman Boyang.
Now, maybe I am not getting you right.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to find out is that
Yeah.
You said you were collecting two taxes.
Yes.
Value property and rates.
Rate and tax, yeah.
And rates and taxes.
Yes.
You know, the assessments are different.
Yes.
Because what you pay, the tariffs are different.
Yes.
So, you know, in value properties, you have the choir book,
Yes.
which gives you the number of properties
Yes.
that you collect in a particular area,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that is the book also that you have for rates and taxes. Is that not so?
No, no.
You don't have your own book.
No, I only have value property.
You only have value property.
Yes.
But how would the office know that you have collected all the rates and taxes that you are supposed to collect within these three settlements?
No, normally customers do come with their receipts. They do come with their last payment receipts.
At your office?
Yes.
Now, but if you don't have the book,
Yes.
how would you know how many properties you are supposed to collect for the year? Or do you already have it in your mind, how many properties you need to collect for in New Yundum and how many properties in Farato and how many properties in Yarambamba Estate? Do you have it off head?
No, I don't have it off head, but I have the choir book for Yarambamba, New Yundum, and Farato.
Yes, those are the ones that we are asking for.
Yes.
So that we know what you have in your cash book,
Yes.
whether it tallies with what you have collected in the field.
Okay, no problem.
So you bring that tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
All right? Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And you've stated in your statement that you collect 600 for non-story buildings, regardless of commercial or private residence.
Yes.
I want you to explain that so that we understand what you mean when you said that in your
Yes,
statement.
the 600 is the tariff I found at Yarambamba. It was the payment they were doing for the compounds.
Okay.
But for the story buildings, rental properties are paying 5,000. But all the compounds at New Yundum, except story building, if you have story building, you are paying 2,000. If you have a compound that you are renting, you are paying 5,000. And also empty plots is 400.
So, but you know, value properties, they already have their fix based on what your seniors have said here.
Yes.
Yes. You either have to collect 2,000
Yes.
or you collect 5,000.
Yes.
But from when Is it when you went to Yaramba that you found the 600?
Yes, yes.
Which is a flat rate?
Yes.
And you continued on this?
Yes.
But still on the value properties?
Yes.
Would that not bring you confusion when the auditors are auditing you?
No, they knew.
They knew?
Yes. They knew for your Rambamba's payment.
So who authorized the 600?
For the 600? Yes. I met it there.
You met it there?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have the council tariffs? A copy of your own?
I will get it from the office.
Okay, please, when you are coming, you bring it.
Okay, no problem.
Because you made mention of going by the council's tariff.
Yes.
So we want to compare that with your own assessment in your books.
Yes.
And to be able to know the level of revenue you collect.
Okay, no problem.
Yes?
Okay.
And you had some shortages. The internal auditor made some queries.
Yes.
For the 2022 audit exercise that
you
did.
Yes. So they say 2,000, but later I found the deposit slip.
Okay.
Yes, the 2,000 that was queried by the internal auditors. I paid it to the bank, then later I saw my deposit slip.
So what happened when you saw your deposit slip?
I attached it to the cash book.
Okay.
Yes, the deposit slip is in the cash book.
Now, what happened to the 2,000 that you have repaid when it was queried?
What happened to the?
You said you paid back the 2,000 because this was this not a shortage?
Yes, it was a shortage.
So they ask you to pay back the amount, right?
Yes.
And you know, later on you saw the receipt.
Yes, the deposit slip. Yes.
And did you cross-check in their accounts to confirm?
Yes.
That this 2,000 was paid?
Yes, it was paid.
Did you claim back the 2,000?
No, I did not claim it back.
Why?
When I cross-checked my cash book, there was 2,000 that I was supposed to pay. It was where I deposited the 2,000.
So it is different from this.
Yes, it's different from this.
Receipt that you saw.
Yes.
So that 2,000 you paid it for another shortage that.
Yes, for another shortage. Yes.
Council.
To be fair, that's all for this witness. We will, when we need you, we will call you back.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Madam Ceesay.
Yes.
We will discharge you for today.
Yes.
But we will. You are coming back tomorrow.
Okay.
To bring the documents that we have asked you to bring.
Okay. No
and in the interim, you will wait for the registrar to give you the order, for you to serve it on Mr. Suleiman Barry,
okay,
to give you the document that he has, that is your cash book.
Oh, yes.
So that you can present it tomorrow to us.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Is that all?
Yes, that's all for today.
So you are discharged. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Any other witness?
No, Madam Chairperson, that's the last witness for the day.
That's the last witness. We may rise.